Hello. Hello and welcome to the latest video. Data types, booleans, nice job. Next let's look at booleans. Booleans are either true or false. I updated my first video, which is a complete disaster, but not to worry. So we'll start the game. We know what we're doing now. For example, comparing two numbers returns a true or false result. So 23 is greater than 10 is true, and 5 is less than 4 is false. So let's compare two numbers, return a true result. First write the string I encoding like a charm. So shift inverted comma I am coding like a charm. A chump movie. A chump. After reading Neil's comment, that helped me. So next find the length. So you get dot length save and submit. Oops, so we need the comparators. So the comparators being next find the length using dot length, then compare the string's length to is it greater than 10. So what we do is shift and the one that says spacebar is greater than 10. Semicolon. Hey! After all that, my first video was my nightmare. I was making it more complicated than it was. There we go. That's all you have to do. Nice and simple when you know how. Okay, next lesson. Next lesson. Using console.log. You may have noticed that the interpreter doesn't print out every single thing it does, so if we want to know what it's thinking, we sometimes have to ask it to speak to us. So console.log will take whatever is inside the parentheses and log it to the console below your code. That's why it's called console.log. This is commonly called printing out. So you want something to print out, so console.log print out 2 times 5, which is 10, and say hello. So 10 and hello. And you'll notice there's no semicolons. So please print the following code console.log statements at the same time. Type on line 1 and then on line 2, then press save and submit code. So I've also done it for a previous one, but I'm going to start from the beginning. So console.log, notice there's no inverted commas, no backslashes, no brackets. So bracket, so shift and 9, it'll bring 2 brackets up, 9 to 2, shift and 8, 2 times 5, make sure you get a bracket, then console.log bracket would be hello world. I'm just going to make it different to what it should be. Make sure you don't put 2 inverted commas in like I done. As I say, no semicolons. So let's see. So save and submit code, and it'll come up with that. Right, oops, a quote is missing. It's pair on line 2. Check that the words are surrounded with a quote on each side. Aha. So that's good I made that mistake, because I know what's wrong. So it's just the hello world doesn't have an inverted comma. So you'll see the change in colour. Save and submit code, and then it says 10 and then hello world. So let's try that. Console.log. Oh. So if you see white, then you know it's not going to work. So if you see yellow, then you know you get inverted commas, and this is new coding. Right. Thanks No, I'll better put that. Oh, no, that works. Hey, this is me getting coding right. Oh, no, what do I mean? So we'll start the next lesson. Comparison. So far we've learned about 3 data types: strings, dog, roll, roof, numbers 4 and 10, booleans, true and false, 5, lesson 4. Now let's learn more about comparison operators. So list of comparison operators: greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or not equal to. Try using each of these operators above. Choose the correct comparison operator to make each of the 4 statements print out true. I don't know where that came from. When you use the dot length, the value that is entered is a number. Therefore, you then enter something like Jenny dot length is equal to 5. The computer is evaluating whether the number of letters in Jenny is equal to 5. Choose the correct comparison operator to make each of these 4 statements print out true. Right, so console.log 15 divided by 4 is less than 100. Console.log length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is less than 9. Console.log codeacademy.length 15. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. More than 60. Console.log 8 times 2 is 16. That's more than 100. No, less than 100. Less than 50. Let's see if that works. No. So, I wonder if it's that there. I'm going to make that again there. No. It's something like that, but I'll come back to it later. Okay, thanks for watching my latest video, and good luck.